What is randomization and why is it critical in data science? Randomization is the process of making selections based on random choice as a way to minimize bias and other forms of data contamination in a study or experiment. In data science, randomization is critical because it helps ensure that the sample is representative of the entire population, thereby improving the generalizability of the results. It also balances out other factors that could skew the results, providing a clearer view of the true effects of the variables being studied. How does randomization improve the reliability of data analysis outcomes? Randomization improves the reliability of data analysis outcomes by reducing the risk of bias in the selection of data and the assignment of treatment in experiments. By randomly assigning subjects or data points to different groups, it ensures that each group will be statistically similar, thus, the differences in outcomes can be attributed more confidently to the variable being tested rather than to underlying differences among the participants. What are the key techniques used in conducting exploratory surveys? Key techniques used in conducting exploratory surveys include stratified sampling, dividing the population into subgroups and sampling from each subgroup to ensure all significant segments are represented. Open-ended questions, allowing respondents to provide responses in their own words to gather qualitative insights. Pilot surveys, conducting a smaller version of the survey first to refine questions and the approach based on initial feedback. Online and mobile surveys, utilizing digital platforms to reach a wider audience quickly and cost-effectively. Can you explain how exploratory surveys differ from other types of surveys in terms of objectives and methodologies? Exploratory surveys are primarily aimed at uncovering insights and understanding deeper nuances about a topic with which there is little prior information. They often use open-ended questions or qualitative methods to capture a broad range of perspectives and are generally more flexible in their approach compared to descriptive or causal surveys. In contrast, descriptive surveys aim to quantify characteristics of a certain population or phenomenon, and causal surveys, or experimental surveys, are designed to determine cause and effect relationships between specific variables. Exploratory surveys are more about exploring the unknown, whereas the other types are more about measuring or confirming known factors.